Hello everyone, my name is Bree and I am back to share 10 cruise tips for sailing with Carnival. Carnival's new ship, the Mardi Gras, will be sailing in October 2020 and is designed to be fun for the whole family. The Mardi Gras has 6 theme zones which have their own unique attractions that reflect the ship's theme. These zones include Grand Central, the French Quarter, Summer Landing, La Piazza, Lido, and the Ultimate Playground. The ship also includes the world's first roller coaster at sea, 3 huge spiraling slides, a mini golf course, and a basketball court. In addition, the Mardi Gras features innovative staterooms with shadow-free vanity mirrors, ottoman cushions that flip over and serve as an extra table, reading lights on the headboard, and enough USB ports for all of your devices. Oh, and I cannot neglect to mention the amazing dining options this cruise has to offer. The Mardi Gras has restaurants such as Emeril's Bistro, Guy's Burger Joint, and they have 24-hour ice cream and pizza. I may just spend the whole trip stuffing my face with pepperoni slices. Remember, if you want to have the best Carnival vacation and be in the loop to know the best things to do on board, give us a call. No matter if you're a new cruiser or a seasoned pro, we make sure you know the ins and outs to all cruises. We also provide you with the best deals so you save a bit of money along the way. Speaking of money, my first tip is that you do not have to splurge on cruise cost in one payment. You can actually book your cruise up to 2 years in advance by taking advantage of the payment plan options. Just put down a small down payment and pay monthly installments that are within your budget. If prices decline, you can ask Carnival or your travel agent to match your price to the new lower cost. We all want to make sure everyone has a chance to cruise, no matter what your budget is. My next tip is to avoid cruising during holidays and when kids are out of school. Booking during down seasons ensures lower prices, allowing you to save a great deal of money. Now, if you're someone that suffers from motion sickness, then this next tip is for you. Pick a cabin in the lower decks in the middle of the ship. The cabins are more aligned with the center of gravity, so there will be a lot less swing. This tip has made cruises a lot more enjoyable for my oldest. This tip comes from experience, and it is to book your flight at least a day in advance. Flying is unpredictable at times, and missing your cruise due to flight delays is a gratuitous way to start your vacation. Steve and I made that mistake twice, and words can't describe how disappointed we both were. Embarkation and disembarkation day can be stressful, especially when you are traveling with a family. Carnival offers a faster to the fun package that provides priority check-in after the VIFPs and disembarkation. Ranging from $39.93 to $119.55, this package covers everyone in your cabin and allows access to your stateroom as soon as you get on board. Additionally, your luggage will be boarded first and you do not have to wait in line for guest services. This package alleviates the most stressful parts of cruising when traveling with young kids. Carnival does not allow bottled water or soda on board, although you can carry packs of both of these items with your luggage. Go ahead and purchase a 12-pack of soda, just keep in mind that Carnival only allows 1 pack per person. It is also worth noting that 750 milliliter bottles of wine can be brought on the ship as well. Oh, and the dining room stores your wine for you if you don't plan on drinking it all in one night. Keeping up with all the activities Carnival has to offer can make you a bit parched, especially if you are like me and are constantly chugging water. I recommend packing refillable water bottles to carry around during your trip. That way, you and your family will stay hydrated in between meals. This is something I found out recently. The first day of the cruise is the best day to eat at specialty restaurants. The meals are offered at a discounted price and the restaurants are not as crowded. Eating great food is always the perfect way to start a marvelous vacation, if I say so myself. Bringing the whole family on vacation is great, but we can all benefit from some time away from our kids. Luckily, Carnival Cruise Lines has childcare services called Camp Carnival and Camp Ocean. Children from 2 to 11 years old are taken care of by the youth staff, and they are given numerous activities to keep them entertained. I recommend using that free night to eat at one of the specialty restaurants or checking out the fantastic bars the ship has to offer. After a long night, getting up early to get breakfast is vexatious, to say the least. However, Carnival Cruise Lines has you covered. Room service is free from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m., therefore you can sleep in and order breakfast without having to leave the room. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed my tips for Carnival Cruise Lines. There are many more tips when booking with us, such as fun activities and things you shouldn't miss when sailing with Carnival. Give us a call to save on your next cruise or to see if we can save you money on the cruise you already booked for. We know Carnival cruise ships and can give you tips based on what you like to do. My team's job is to make sure you are well informed about the upcoming cruises and are getting the best deal. Let us know if you have any questions regarding Carnival Cruise Lines. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my fantastic channel. Also, tell us one of your favorite cruise tips in the comments below, or tell us what your favorite cruise tip was from the video. I cannot wait to hear from you. Make sure to check out our blog link below and hit the bell to be notified. Thanks for watching.